Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Sophie. And today I'm really happy, so excited, so happy to publish this video that I am sure you will really like it and it will help a lot of you get traffic into your blogs, into your websites in a very short time. So you will need to work only 10 to 15 minutes a day for only 10 days consistently and you will see results. I know a lot of you will not even continue the video, will not even watch this couple of minutes. Some of you will not even try this. It's only 15 minutes and they will not try it. And then after 1 month, they will start again searching into YouTube or Google for traffic methods, different traffic methods. And in the end, they get disappointed. And due to which they will leave their dreams and close their websites or blogs. Friend, I'm telling you how to get traffic. Please watch this couple of minutes and apply it only 15 minutes a day instead of scrolling into Facebook and wasting your time, money. Just apply this simple method for free, which is really super simple and really free. It just I'm telling you seriously, just try it and you will see it's working. It worked with me, it works with millions of people all over the world. So let's stop this and let directly go into these methods. So now what is this method? How it works? Let's see together. Okay. But please, before we start, don't forget, if you like to watch more videos like this about online business, make money online, digital marketing and much more, please go now, smash the red button, subscribe now, which will be on the screen, and also it will be below the video, and like the video, turn notifications to get every new update from this channel. Okay friends, let's start now. So what is the traffic bombing method? Here it is, the traffic bombing method. By the way, I call it like this, but there is no such thing called traffic bombing or traffic. I also call it traffic boosting method, but there is no such thing called it is. So what is this method? What we are going to do simply here is copying and pasting your content on different websites all over the internet, on websites that are getting millions of visitors every month. Super simple. So just copy and paste your own content on your own blog post on other websites. I think it might look like very simple, but it is really very simple. So let's start the video. So what is traffic bomber method? Here it is. It's very simple. Copy and paste all your content on different websites all over the internet. I will show you now the websites one by one, step by step, and explain how this method will really help you get a lot of traffic, thousands of new users, people into your website. So let's start website number 1. Okay friends, let's start with website number 1. But 1 second before I start, I just want you to take a look on my website. Here it is, my website. This is my website, Tech Sophie. So if you check my website here it is. I have very few articles because I have started this recently, and if you look into my dashboard, here it is. So these results, the results you see, 3.1k users, new visitors, page views, 3000, nearly 4000 page views, and 3000 sessions. And you see here my bounce rate, it is high. It should not be high. However, it is high because I have very less articles and the people who are visiting, they do not have much information to see, because it just started now recently, so I am working on it. But just see the visitors and page views and clicks and impressions. So let's go to our methods, and the website number one, which is LinkedIn. Yes, you might be thinking, how can LinkedIn will help you to get traffic on your websites, on your blog post? So yes, let me explain you. First, here you see the right article, the option which is mentioned as the right article. Guys, you have to just click on it, and here you will see option headline, and there is some description to write. So all you need to do is go to your website, and let's just suppose if you are want to write this article to the LinkedIn, so click on this and copy the headline. Now go to LinkedIn and paste it here. It's very simple, guys. Now copy some introduction steps. Now let's just copy this, and here it is. Let's paste this on here. Now you can also give somewhere here your link description, so that people can check your websites. Now let's go to website number 2, which is Quora. Okay guys, Quora is basically a question and answer platform, and it is a global platform and the biggest platform regarding question and answers on this planet. So how can Quora will help you? Let me explain you, and please do not worry on this. So in Quora there are multiple things, like you can ask question, you can answer question, you can engage with multiple visitors, you can engage with multiple people with regarding different fields here, and also you can create your own space, like I have created here my own space. You can see how much do YouTubers make and how to become a YouTuber. So also I have I have gave multiple answers here to my visitors, to my audience. See here the spaces, 14 spaces. I have been into 14 spaces, and also I used to get questions here that can you make this, can you help me on this information, and people ask me here. I'll show you. See here, what is Amazon Associates program, and if they like the answer, they'll definitely upvote you and downvote you. So that is all will really help you building your website, building a traffic to your website. Now you might be thinking that how these websites will help boost you the traffic to your website, to your blog post. I understand, and now I will give you the real information here. See, if you see this, there is a browser extension which is called Similar Web Extension. Come on guys, so let me show you this. If you see here, the number of pages per visit for this website Quora, it is 2.8 billion. Guys, this is very big number, and monthly visits it's 522 million. It's a very big number. Just imagine, from 522 million people, if let's just suppose say if you get 1% of it, which is also a big number, if you say 0.01% of it, then you will get a high ranking, you will get multiple and lot of views, lot of sessions on your website. So let's go to LinkedIn. If you see here on LinkedIn, let me just show you. Okay, look at here. On LinkedIn, monthly visits is 1.30 billion, which is the highest for any social media platform. So, and it has page per visit which is 6.4 million. Guys, this is very high rate, and LinkedIn has very less bounce rate. That means people come here for information, and they just not come here, they will search and they will also check each and every information here. So by this, when you put some information, when you put some article on your LinkedIn or on Quora, definitely people will search here. Let's just say, look at here, you will have a search option here. So people will search, for example, like how to make money online, how to make money online. So if you go here, people definitely look for articles. If you are following some post, they will definitely read this and you will get views. If you mention your website, definitely you will get it, you will get traffic from here. Let me show you example here. See here, if you see views and post of my own LinkedIn profile, it is 115. I just posted one recent post which is yesterday and I got 115 views on it. Guys, this is not a joke, this is really important, because most of the people will give you so many tricks, so many ways, like campaign ads. They will ask you to do campaigns, they ask you to show your budget, like how much budget you can give, $5, $10, $15, and then you will get some views. After that it will be a monthly plan and all, and then you won't get any views and you will not be able to earn anything from your website. However, I am not yet earning because I have not yet asked, made AdSense account from the Google, because I am still running very few articles on my website. But I can see that my website is going pretty good, but currently if I get to apply it, but it will not work because there are very less articles. I am working on it, but I felt like this method I can share with everyone, so that people who are lacking on this, they should really get on the track. Now let me go to the second website, which is Quora. So here in Quora you can answer questions to people. See, can I make money on blogger.com? Currently I'm working on this samarthablogger.blogspot.com. so here a question has been asked and you can answer the question if you have some knowledge. And also you can search on Quora whatever your field is, whatever in your field you are working on, your blogs and all. Like just suppose say digital marketing. If you go to digital marketing, here you can follow the space and then you can answer the people's question, and in the end you can just mention that you are working on this website and you can give them link, and so that they can come to your website and check the information, and if they are really happy, then they will come back again to your website. That is how your audience will grow, your visitors will grow, and your visitors will become your customers ultimately. So this is very important, guys. You don't just ignore this, because this number what you are seeing here, it's not easy, it's very big number. 522 million, it's a very big number. So I have personally experienced this, like I have showed you earlier. If you see this, you can see this, my dashboard. Here it is direct. I have direct visitors, which is 14.79, which is 460 new users. I have referrals, I have social media, I have organic search, very less organic search. That means I have very less organic search, means I have very less people who are searching through Google are very less, because I am sharing on Quora, I am sharing on LinkedIn, I am sharing on other websites. Let me take you to the website number 3, which is Medium. Yes guys, Medium is a platform where you can, it's similar to Quora but a little bit different. Let me tell you that. So on Medium you can post and publish, and you can you can ask question, you can answer them, you can give response, you can follow, you can also paste your stories, anything, whatever you want, even regarding digital marketing, regarding technology, regarding science, regarding environment, whatever you want you can do here. So let me show you one small example here. See, here are the people who I am following, and so let me take you to the story. See here, the option which says here story. If you go here, if you click on here, you will get a display like this. So here, if you just mention your title, like how we did on LinkedIn, same you have to go here, Medium. Now paste the title here. Next, go to the matter description and paste here, and also mention your website, give some small brief explanation regarding your article, what you are writing for, and then publish it. Here it is the option, publish it. And The main and important feature of this Medium platform is here, if you have followers or not, if you have connections or not, apart other than like LinkedIn or Quora, if you have zero followers, if you have 10 followers or even 30 or 100 or 1000 followers, your post will get published on its platform, and also many users can see whenever they search for it. Your post will get shown to them, even if your post has, if your post has less followers or less connections. That is the best feature which has, on this platform Medium. Now let's go to website number 4. But before we go to website number 4, let me show you the web analytics of this website. See here, Medium has monthly visitors which is 212 million. Guys, this is also not small number, this is a very big number, very big. And it's like 217 million. If you get 1% from here, then you're getting a big result, and you're achieving what you're working on it. So guys, don't just think it's a very big thing, because it's 1 or 2 minutes. If you combine every step, you will have to spend only 15 or 20 minutes per day, like consistently 10 days. If you spend on this and apply this, I'm sure, I can guarantee you will get traffic, because I got it and others got it. I got it, and I have showed you, and I'll show you again. Here it is, I got it. Only thing is that your content should be good, and you should have a very good articles, and very in number of your number should be very good. At least you should have 15 to 20 articles, then you will have your bounce rate less than 30 to 40 less than 40%. So now let's go to website number 4, 5, 6. So till now we have 3 websites where you have to enter, where you have to copy and paste your article, and you have to mention that whatever the article is. But now the website which I am going to show you, the website number 4, let's go to that first. Okay, here it is. The website number 4 is mix.com. Guys, yes, this mix.com, let me show you the analysis. So many of you might have not heard this website, so I'll take you to the website analytics. Here it is. It's 1.40, guys. Yeah, 1.40 million visitors per month for this website, on this website. Guys, this is also a very big number comparatively. If you see, the other website has 500 million, 200 million, 1.30 billion, but 1.40 million is also a very big number, guys. Let me show you how to work on this website. So here it is very simple, guys. I'm sorry. Yeah, here it is very simple. Here you don't need to mention, you don't need to copy paste everything, every article or any description or any title and all. Here you just need simple 2 clicks. It is a very 2 minutes process, guys. Okay, here you see option plus icon, just click on it. You will get a display like this. Go to your website. If you want to post, let's just say if you want to post this article, so click on it. Now copy this article link, just copy the link of the article, then paste on here. See, now it is getting mixed. It is importing the whole process, whole link. Now it is mixed. Now just click on mix, guys. Here it is. Now you can, if you have any collections, you can paste it on here. I already have a collections of my separate. I have segregated my post here, so I can go into digital marketing. Now it's done. Simple, guys. It's less than a minute process. You see, if you just do this, definitely you will get traffic within 30 days. Within 30 days you will get minimum amount of traffic. It will help you, it will boost your confidence, it will run your website, it will make you a good earning, and it will boost your confidence. By that you can work on your skills, and you will improve ultimately, and you will also earn money. Now let me show you the website number 4, which is Pinterest. You might have heard, everyone might have heard about Pinterest, right? So let me show you the Pinterest web analytics. this website, guys, this is also a big number, guys. 1.10 billion, which is next to LinkedIn. You see, LinkedIn has 1.30 billion and Pinterest has 1.10 billion, which is a big number. It has a very less bounce rate, which is also very excellent, feature. So LinkedIn also has very huge number of visitors on this website. So this website will also give you a big amount of users, visitors, audience to your website. So how we have to get visitors from Pinterest to your website? Here is the method. So if you create a pin on here on your Pinterest account, just here you have to do small things and it will take only 1 or 2 minutes, same as mix.com. Just go to your website, just copy the title here, add the title. You don't need to mention any description and all. Just give a small link of your description or link of your website. Tell everyone what your title is about. Give at least 100 characters. You can give small characters, or else you can copy from here, around 100 characters you can copy here, and then you can paste here. That's simple. 90, see, you have almost 100 for 400 characters. Now you have to at least drop an image. So drop an image like featured image of your article. So how do I do this? Let me show you this, because you can do this and you can copy this method, and it is really interesting, and it will bring audience without any disturbance. Because most of the people, what I felt and what I have seen is, go by the image. The image speaks more than your article, more than your content. Because first of all, people see, okay, how the image looks like. If they feel like, okay, yeah, the image looks good, it seems very interesting, definitely they'll click on your article, definitely they'll click on your website. By that, your visitors will grow. So what I do is, I use a canva.com website. Yeah, canva.com is it's a free, you can create your own designs. It's free, and also we have a upgrade plan, but it's free for smaller things, like you can create some website designs, YouTube thumbnails, and YouTube art channel art designs. There are so many multiple things you can do here. You can check that by here. See, if you go to create design, first you have to log in, guys. And it's free, guys. You don't need to pay anything for Canva. It's free of cost. There is no sign up, there is no free trial, there is nothing. It's very free. If you want a subscription, you can go with the subscription. However, for free website, you will get a lot of post. You will get a lot of things to design without any subscription needed here. So see, you have presentation image. You can create presentation image, website image, Instagram post, Instagram wallpaper, YouTube thumbnail, Instagram story, newsletter, on t-shirt print. You can do a banner, video ad, banner, YouTube display ad, so many. So I have my own collection here. Let me see here it is. So what you have to do is, you just need to download this. I have already made made few of the things. You have to copy this from here. Then what you have to do is, go to your Pinterest and drag and drop here, paste the image and save it. That's all. When you click on save, your post is updated, it is published, and people, when search, for example, people search here, when they go and search here, like SEO beginners or whatever they want, if they are searching related to your topic, definitely your post will be shown to them and you will get traffic. From there, you can just link your website so that they can check your website from there. So guys, this is very interesting, right? You are getting so much traffic from here, you are getting your audiences from here. Now let me go to the final website. Guys, please stay on the video, because in the end of this video, I'm going to share a bonus thing which will help you build best content on your website. You know, a lot of people will give you so many, you know, methods and all, like this method, but for you on your content you need one thing which will help you, which will help you better to create a good content. If you copy and paste a content, it is easy, but in a copy and pasted content also you need something which should, while someone read your content, it should feel like a professional content. It should not feel like, if you are lacking at something, if your skills are not good and you're providing those skills on your writing, on your content, somewhere around the reader will feel like, yeah, this is not good content. The content is not professional, it's not up to my language. Now I'm not able to read this, so it should not happen like that, right? You use multiple plugins, you use multiple softwares, so many translation things and all, but I will suggest you something which will really help you. Even you can see that extension on your right now on my screen, but however I'll show you at the end of the video, so please stay with me. Now let's go to website number 6, which is SlideShare. Okay, here on this website it will only take 4 or 5 minutes to work on it, because here we don't post or we don't do any linking, paste links are here and all, but here we have to do something a bit extra here. Okay guys, so we are at slideshare.com.net. so this website, let me show you the analytics of this website first, then we'll go further. Look at here, it has 119.90 million monthly visitors on this website. Guys, this is also a very big number. I mean, it really helps you guys, because making your content visible on this platform and it is redirecting to your website really will bring visitors to your website, and it really helps your confidence to make you more articles, make you upgrade your skills and work on more on your website. So it's really interesting, guys. So let's go to this website. Okay, so how here we do, how here what we'll do here, let me tell you. This website is something different because it allows you to publish small ebooks, small posts like ebooks, so that people can visit here and check them. It is not like other websites. So what we will do here is we have to make a ebook, small ebooks like this. Look at this look at this one, digital 2020 data reporter. So here when we play this, see, we have to read this like a digital, like we have digital ebooks, same way. It's the same way but little bit different. What I do here is, people might think how we do this, how we do not have any software, we cannot purchase any software, but don't worry guys, like I said you in the earlier in this video, it is everything here, it is free. Everything, all the method, all the steps, all the website you post, you look, everything is free. But by doing everything in free, you can get visitors, more visitors to your website. So here it is, Canva. So you can use Canva because Canva is the best for this process. So what you have to do is similar to the website we have done to the Pinterest. Like from Pinterest we have made a design. I have already made a design, so I just copied and I have just downloaded and pasted on the Pinterest here like it. But here what we do is we'll create, but here in SlideShare what we do is we just make a combine of 5 or more than 7 or 8 SlideShare 7 or 8 designs, and we make into a SlideShare like a small ebook, and we will just upload on this website called SlideShare. Yes, once we do that, that's all, we are done. Then just wait and upload this like 10 consecutive days, or even after the 10 days you can still perform, still you can do that. because if you want traffic, you must work on this, you must do this process repeatedly, so that your visitors will grow, and those visitors ultimately after so many few months they will become your customers. Like you will have a certain amount of people or audience, like your own customers, like they will wait for your article, and they will see whenever you make a post, or when you create a post, immediately you will get traffic. By that, you will have your own running website. Yes guys, this is really interesting, and this really works. It worked for me, it worked for millions of people. I'm really glad to share with you this important method, which is called traffic bombing method. I'm sorry, but this is not the method is called, I'm just calling it in this way. Okay, so by the way, I would like you to use this Canva, because it will help you in every aspect, like not only creating website, designing website, or anything regarding website, but also it will help you on your YouTube, making a thumbnail, making a art of the video, art, thumbnail art, or your video display art, everything. Or Instagram, you can see here, see guys, you can see here photo collage, video ad, YouTube video ad, newsletter, banner, Instagram story. Yes, it will also help in Instagram story guys. Facebook video, yes, you can make a Facebook video from here. It is really very good guys. I have used it. By the way, I have not used it for Facebook, but yeah, I have used it for Instagram, YouTube, and website. Yeah, it's very really interesting guy. But if you are in a free trial, means if you are using it for free, you will have a limited number of options, features. But if you want you unlimited features, then you have to sign up for subscription, which is I guess $10 per month or $12 a month. But I would suggest you don't need to have a subscription, because I'm not using a subscription. But however, I started using it right now, because now I am looking for more intense graphics. That's why I've started it. So it is really nice guys. Canva is very nice. If you want to use this, go into my description, you will find all the links from whatever I have mentioned here: mix.com, medium.com, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and this canva.com. Go through the canva.com from the below link, and you can sign up. You don't need to pay anything guys. Yes, if you go to canva.com directly, it will ask you for a free trial or upgrade. But if you go with the link I provided in the description, you can directly go for a free feature completely. You don't need to sign up, you don't need to do anything. Okay guys, so here it is. I have explained you 6 websites. Yes, LinkedIn, Pinterest, mix.com, Medium, and SlideShare, and Quora. Yeah guys, if you do whatever I have said in this video, definitely your website will get a lot of traffic. I'm sure. I am telling you this. I'm honestly telling you guys. See here, this is the website analytics of my website guys. Now you are seeing here Feb 21 to 2020, Feb 21 2021 to March 22nd 2021. Now let me show you this. I'll take down this. Okay, I'll just take this from Feb 21 to Feb, okay, yeah, Feb 28, sorry. Okay, I'll take down till March 2nd. Now I'll apply this. You will see. Yes, let me refresh this once, so that you will understand what I am talking is not a joke, is not a simple method. It's really a working strategy, a working method, which I have done guys. So yes, let me show you this. You see here, I'm sorry, it has loaded, but it's still showing the same period. I don't know why it is not getting refreshed. Okay, let me apply once again. Okay, you can see here. See, I have from all the devices: tablet, mobile, desktop. Yes, that's right. From every domain I am getting visitors. Now I'll show you one more thing, guys. Yeah, here it is. You can see the stats, like what I was trying to show. This is what I was trying to show you. If you see here, Feb 23, I started my website on Feb 18, and from from the first week of my website started, I was continually working on my articles and all, and the website design and all. So I was, I didn't get traffic till 1-2 weeks. Then I started applying this strategy. And guys, by the way, I would like to tell you that I have not, I did not get this strategy from anyone. Yeah, but I got few tips from other bloggers, other people on the internet, on from YouTube or from other blog website, and all those I have combined it. I've studied it, and I have worked on it. Then I got this result. Then that's why I thought like I should share this with people who are lacking on this, people who are like me, and they are not getting traffic, and they are disappointed because of this. So I want them to build this skill and build this strategy into own their website and work on it. So okay, let me show you the stats. Here you see March 20. See, March 20 my visitors are 2058 and page views are 133. Again March 21 it increased to 269, visitors are 249. Guys, it's a drastic increase. See, page again you see 267, 254 visitors. Now today March 23 is 289 views and 244 visitors. Guys, this is a huge number, guys. And when I show you, see, my visitors are from Russia, Germany, Canada, India. You see, guys, this is how this is happening, because I am getting ranked on Google. I'm not getting ranked on Google till yet, but I will be ranking on Google very soon. I will show you how and what are the analytics to work on to get your website ranked on Google. I'll make a video of that. But however, let me explain you this. It's very simple, guys. Like I showed you, like you see here, LinkedIn, 3 views for I guess every 30 minutes. Yeah, like last 30 minutes I got 3 views from LinkedIn. Guys, this is really helping, guys. So if you go to my web analytics here, see here, 3.1k, guys, from Feb 21 to March 22, 3.1k. In last 7 days only I got 3k page visits, 3k users I have. You can see the graph here, guys. Here it is, the graph, the way it has increased. You see 1000, 1500 weekly, 1500 daily visits, guy. I'm getting. You might be surprising, but it is real, guys. It is real. I'm really even I got shocked, because when I posted this continuously, I worked on this strategy like 12 to 15 days. I worked on this, and later, after within 2 weeks, I got the result, guys. I'm really telling you, I've got real results, and still I'm working on it, because it's only I got the result on 21. I'm making this video on 23. That means it is a not like old strategy, it is a recent and it's a live strategy, guys. So please work on it. You will get real audience and real visitors, and which will ultimately convert into your customers. Okay, guys, now I have explained everything. Now let me take you to the bonus strategy, bonus feature which will help your content. Yes, let me explain you that. So here if you see, the bonus content which I am talking about is Grammarly feature. Yes, guys, these Grammarly, everyone that it's a feature, it's a website where it's an extension actually to the Chrome browser. If you add this extension to your browser, whatever you type, whatever you do any mistakes while making a sentence or anything, it will autocorrect. Yes, it will autocorrect, and it will make a good sentence. It will make a grammatical, it will remove all the grammatical errors in your content, in your sentence, in your paragraph. Yes, it is very important, guys, because when you have a grammatical mistakes, even Google algorithm will find difficult to rank you, difficult to show your content to your visitors. So it is very important, guys, and I'll mention, I'll share the extension of this in the description, so you can check that, and start mentioning in your website, start extending in your websites in your Google Chrome browsers. Okay guys, I will also put down this similar web option to you in a link option, so that you can have your own extension in your Chrome browser. Okay guys, I guess that's all for now, and I really hope that you will like this video, and if you want you can share it, if you don't want it's up to you, but please do subscribe, because I have just started my YouTube channel and I really want to help you people. And if you see, I am not doing this for anything, because I am helping everyone, and in return I really want you people to help me to make me more make me more confident, so that I can make more videos, and also I can grow with you guys also. So yeah, that's all, and good day for you. Bye.